How to apply different materials on faces of an object. Hi, this is AC 3D CAD. Please don't forget to subscribe or comment below after watching this video. I created just a simple rough floor plan to demonstrate this technique. And I have joined the segments of the interior and exterior walls by using join command. Now go to Southwest Isometric View and go to the ribbon and grab press pull command. Hover over in between the exterior and interior walls and drag your cursor up for 96 inches. Type materials. And highlight the wallpaper or select wallpaper from here or wall covering, and then select vertical stripes, multicolored. Click this arrow, maybe this one, wallpaper geometric, and from the stucco you can use exterior smooth tan or maybe fine brown and fine cream. Now I'm gonna apply a wallpaper here on this border wall by selecting wallpaper geometric. Click Control and click this wallpaper at the same time and drag the cursor and apply it on the wall. And I'm gonna turn this over. Highlight that and click at the same time. Turn over by pressing Shift and the middle button at the same time. Highlight vertical stripes and press Control key at the same time and drag your cursor and apply it here. I'm gonna try blue-gray. Apply that. And on the other side, I'm going to apply multicolored or maybe a sec. Wall covering, floral white. And maybe floral blue. You should press it at the same time. Control key and your left button. Otherwise it won't work. There you go. Alright. And for the exterior, I'm gonna apply exterior smooth tan. Press Control key and your left button of your mouse at the same time and drag the cursor and apply it there. Fine brown. There you go. I think we're done. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.